Our final demo is about enhancing marketing performance with powerful energy capabilities. For marketers, Creatio's new release provides a set of powerful Copilot AI skills, such as email and subject line generation and bounce rate analysis. It also includes a number of great CRM enhancements, like new landing page and template builders, updated next best offer capabilities, enhanced marketing analytics, and more. Let's use an example of a marketing manager at a bank to demonstrate the capabilities of the Creatio Energy release. Our marketing manager is tasked with launching a campaign to promote CDs to existing customers. The first step in this promotion is defining the target audience. In this case, the manager wants to focus on current customers based in Boston, and more specifically, those identified by Creatio's Copilot as being more likely to be interested in the CD offering. By the way, the Creatio Energy release introduces a broad range of new connectors, including those for core banking systems. By leveraging data from these systems, we can enhance the customer 360 view and train our AI models to deliver even more personalized insights and recommendations. As you may notice, the Next Best Offer widget is instantly updated based on these recent profile changes. Let's take a look at the customer record for Alex Wilson. Great news! He's eligible for our promotional campaign. Now that we have our audience, let's move on to campaign content creation. The marketing manager navigates to the web pages section, where they can easily build landing pages using no-code tools. Here, we see a draft page with all the necessary elements to create a sleek and engaging landing page from scratch. Once the design is ready, the page can be published and a link can be added directly to the email. Next, the manager heads to the email section, where the updated designer allows them to craft a beautiful, professional emails. With no-code tools, they can quickly build emails of any complexity, making the process both fast and scalable. To enhance the email content, the manager can leverage Copilot for text preparation. Similar to how Copilot is used for service and sales, it can suggest an optimized subject line to improve open rates. For convenience, this function is embedded directly into the message composer as a button. With a single click, Copilot generates a tailored campaign subject line. In just a few clicks, the marketing manager integrates all the elements and launches the campaign. They can then track web page actions and form submissions within the web page profile, while monitoring the email's bounce rate on the email page. Using the new Copilot AI skill in the Energy release, the manager can ask Copilot for insights into email performance and bounce rate analysis to enhance deliverability. For more in-depth engagement analytics, the manager can utilize Google Analytics, which offers real-time data on web actions, sessions, form submissions, and other visual analytics. Let's take a closer look at these metrics. The campaign was a huge success. Thanks to Creatio's marketing and automation tools, new integrations, and Copilot, our marketing manager successfully generated high-quality leads. This scenario highlights how the Creatio Energy release empowers marketers to boost campaign performance through AI-driven capabilities. The marketing manager effectively used next best offer recommendations to identify the target audience, took advantage of enhanced content creation tools, and utilized Copilot AI skills to generate optimized materials. After launching the campaign, they monitored results through integrated analytics and applied Copilot's AI skills, like bounce rate analysis, to refine their strategies, leading to even higher conversion rates and successful lead generation. We're thrilled by the level of business impact our modern CRM capabilities provide to customers, helping them drive efficiency and scale their business faster than ever before.